Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today, we're working on one of the first 992.2 GT3s, and thanks to Porsche Centre Brighton, we're able to come up with the first delete kit to go in the car, and I'll show you how it works. So if you're receiving your new 992.2 GT3, you'll be given a couple of options. Now, when it comes to mounting your number plates, this is the factory mounting box they give you. How this works is, this locates into the bar, and they will drill 2 holes at the front so you can attach your number plate on. Now, a real true Porsche enthusiast isn't going to screw this to the car, so we have redesigned this mounting box into something like this, and I'll explain some of the features and how it works. So our miniature plinth is a no drill solution, meaning all you got to do is tape it to the car, no holes required, and how it works is you peel off the tape, which is already applied, but the secret is this: we provide you 3M primer, and that will help with the bond between the two materials, giving you a secure fixing. Also, what we've done is we put a little tab in here, and there's a little slot in the bottom of the car, which matches that. So this is a self-locating part. So that means you can locate it yourself, find the little knob, line it up, and it'll click into place, self-locating. So you know that is the correct spot, and you can just simply apply it to the car, stick, and it'll stay. A nice little feature that we put into the plinth is this little knob. You might not be able to see it on camera, but this is what the factory one looks like. What this does is, this helps you self-locate the part onto the car so you can get an accurate fitting every time. All you gotta do is locate the little gap, the tiny little gap at the bottom of the bar, line up the knob down the bottom there, and stick it on, and that's after you've done the primer and some cleaning. Now, being a no drill solution and tape on, seems pretty easy, but I'll give you a few tips along the way, just in case you're a bit nervous, but it is quite easy. First step is clean. So clean the car, make sure there's no dirt on it. Step 2, alcohol wipe. We'll give you a little alcohol pad, just clean the area so it's ready for our primer. When it comes to priming, this is what I would do. I would just first locate where we need to prime. So I'll locate the 2 tabs and put it on, maybe a bit of masking tape, just so we know where the end of the plinth is. We get our primer, you crack the little glass tube inside so the primer leaks out, and then prime the area where the plinth will make contact with the car. Once you've done that, peel all the backing tape, and this is how you get the perfect alignment. First, find a little tab and a little locating pin down the bottom here. It lines up one way. The back of the plinth, there's also a little ledge. This also cups the bottom of the bumper quite well. So, locate the little 2 pins, push up against the car so it's level. And from there, your tape will be already peeled and ready to go. You just simply push and apply and hold it for a minute if you can, and give it a full day to cure. Now, I have stuck the plinth on temporarily. I haven't peeled off all the tape. This is a brand new car. Customer hasn't PPF'd yet, but I've just tacked it on just so I can show you what it looks like. As you can see, it's a lot smaller than the factory mounting box. Now let's talk about number plates and brackets. Now, being a 2-part mounting solution, you need first the plinth that matches the car, and then you need a bracket that matches your number plate. Let's show you, say, Victorian slimline plates, for example. These are quite small. These are actually smaller than the factory mounting box, which causes a problem: excess plastic. Ours is small enough to fit, number 1, the bracket. This matches this plate. You put these 2 together and then mount this onto the car, you get that nice plating look. This is also true for 3 and 4 character plates. Now, this size does exist in a few states in Australia. As you can see, this will be smaller than this, you don't see it, and more importantly, smaller than the factory mounting box. So if you have, say, you're running Euros, you grab yourself a Euro plate, slimline plate. The important message here is grab the correct bracket to suit the car, which attaches to the plinth, and you're ready to go. And that's our no drill solution to mount number plates on the front of a 992.2. Quick shout out to Lawrence and the boys at Porsche Centre Brighton, and also a huge congratulations to the customer for being one of the first to receive one of these beautiful cars. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.